monetizing your YouTube channel is extremely hard, because I've been making YouTube videos since 2018, and since then I haven't monetized this YouTube channel. But YouTube is changing its monetization requirement. So for you to become eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, as of June 13, 2023, you'll now only need 500 subscribers, 3 public uploads, 3,000 watch hours, or 3 million shorts views. YouTube monetization requirements is going down, but there is one problem with it. But before we go deep into it, let's talk about the two different types of monetization categories. The first one is brand-funded monetization. Brand-funded monetization refers to content creators earn revenue through brand collaboration, sponsorships, paid promotion, and advertising placement. One great example of this one is an ad into the video. The next monetization category is the crowd or fund-funded. Fund-funded refers to monetization method where content creators earn revenue directly from their audience, typically through methods like donations, membership, and merch. Now, this is very important for you to know, because the new YouTube monetization requirement for the YouTube Partner Program only allows you to monetize through fund-funded.
Creators who are eligible and apply can promote their own products with YouTube Shopping, gain access to fan funding features including Super Thanks, Super Chat, Super Stickers, and channel memberships, and get access to YouTube creator support.
This isn't the classic YouTube Partner Program that we all know about. So this means that you're not gonna earn through ads on your videos. To get ad revenue, you're still required to have a 1,000 subscribers and a 4,000 hours of watch time, or a 10 million shorts views. Overall, this is a good news for new content creators out there. So this is a lot better than having nothing. So as a small content creator that haven't monetized my YouTube channel yet, I'll take this one for sure. YouTube is giving us an opportunity to monetize our audience before we can monetize our content through brand-funded monetization like ads. So let me ask you this. Do you think that this monetization requirement is helpful for new content creators? Let me know in the comment section below. As what I've said a couple of times in this video, I haven't monetized this YouTube channel yet. And this news from YouTube, this news of new requirements for the new YouTube monetization really helps me out. Now, if you are interested on my process and system on how I make videos, be sure to watch this video right here. So that's it for me. I'm out.